Hi, I'm Ed Shires, work on narrowboats, and I'm going to go over a fairly typical job that I do, and it's to replace a diesel boiler. So this boat's got a Mikuni MX40 fitted, and customers had some problems with it recently. He's gone through 2 control units, and that was down to a glow plug fault. The plug's coked up, the wrong fuse has been fitted, so a faulty plug has caused these 2 control units to fail. And it's an old heater, it must be at least 20 years old. Possibly the air motor's faulty and caused the plug to fail, but the customers decided to go for the latest Webasto, so I'm going to fit the latest version of the Webasto. Okay, here's the new heater running, installed in the same area that the old Mikuni was. I've had to modify pipework slightly, and you'll see it's in 15mm, and on these Hudson boats they always use 15mm through the boat, and ideally that should be 22mm flow and return, but it doesn't cause an issue on this boat. You know, provided you use the right concentration of antifreeze, it's all right. And I'd say this new style of Webasto suits this sort of boat very well, because it's only got two small double radiators and a towel rad, or a small radiator in the bathroom, and the clarifier. So it's this variable speed, this variable output. This is, so it goes from between 5 kilowatts and 2 kilowatts, and it doesn't step down like the old Thermo C or Mikuni or Eberspacher. It's variable, so you hear it slowing down very slightly. So it'll work really well with this type of boat where the output of the radiator isn't very high. And I always use ISO 7840 hose on the fuel line, or part of the fuel system, to dampen the noise from the fuel pump, and you just don't hear the fuel pump on this. It's silent, and with the boards down, it is really quiet. So if you need this sort of work doing, just get in touch. And normally I'd say to do a swap out is between 1 and 2 days. You know, I don't throw the heaters in. You know, I do it properly. Everything's done, you know, neatly and tidily. On this job, the skin fitting. You see this skin fitting is virtually on the waterline. And when I've had the exhaust disconnected, the water's been coming in through the skin fitting it has. So that needs sorting out. I've still got to fit the proper 24mm Webasto exhaust. So it's going to be it's just under a day and a half, I'd say, to do this job. So typically it's between 1 and 2 days. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions? Just give us a call, and yeah, check out my website for a few details. Okay, thanks for watching.